Next tip I wanted to go over with you, one for the wrist forearm type connection. So this one will really help ease tension along this area if we're typing a bunch, doing a bunch of mouse work, and we're kind of just all over the place on our desk setup. So with the forearm, a lot going on through here, 20 muscles, 12 on this side, 8 on this side, flowing all the way to the wrist, and they each kind of have each specific job. So this area can really get wound up. So for this first one, think about kind of grabbing the top of the hand here, rolling down and in, and letting that lock out, feeling that tension on this upside part right here. Bring it back, flipping the hand downwards, pulling again towards us, and feeling that top portion there. Try that one about 5-10 times, feeling that area kind of light up. Another one that can add a little bit more tension is using like a countertop height surface. Hand face downward, palm flat, and then we're kind of rolling up and over on those spots that might feel a little extra sticky. Hanging out on those for about like 2-3 seconds each, and just taking a break like 5-10 times with those.